Update on the Renegade trailer. We got this top brace bar in. We got most of the roof done. Look at that, huh? Got the rails done. We got that rail replaced with pieces. We had to cut it in pieces all the way back. Still got some issues there in the corner, but it beats having a giant hole here, how it was before. So putting this brace up, we'll put an axle strap through it just in case you want to hook something up to it, like swap an engine or something. Here's the other one. We're gonna put another one in. It's gonna go in the back here. But wanted to say thanks to Teleport Auto, Fort Lauderdale. They welded them up for us. And Shizzy, your aluminum panels of scrap have come to some use. I don't remember what we use them for. But yeah, that's kind of what the trailer's looking like. It's looking better. The corners are not that, are almost matched. Huh? I mean, it's square, but we've just put these in, huh? Like that, that's how they went. I guess that's okay. So yeah, that's kind of what the roof looks like. Finally a not rainy day. We could seal up the cracks. That corner didn't go so well, but I think it'll do. So maybe later I'll rip apart the sealant and then go to a welding shop and have them weld these together. And then grind it down, make it a real nice seam. But putting this rail, I mean, there's no sense in replacing the whole thing when it was bent from like here on back. It's still hard to believe that when I bought this trailer, it was, you know, 2 axles were bent. It had the safety chains ripped out. It rolled on its side, you know. There's the original safety chain and the ones I put on. Still got to do this door. You see, it landed on this side. I guess it's a pretty robust trailer. Got some issues over here. But yeah, we'll have to patch some of this stuff up. And that's the worst of it now. So we'll have to take care of those things. But yeah, man, it's been a journey. Not sure if I should have tackled this project. I mean, this is gonna be a lot to polish out this stainless. Gotta get a new stainless piece for that. Someone at the yard I parked that backed into that door. So that kind of sucks. Anyways, it's been like a tool shed for me. Yeah, it's gonna happen. All right, we got the second rail up. We should have filmed how we got it up. It was cool. Put it up, used one of these, used a jack, pressed it up, boom, it's up. Yeah, we'll just full egg hitch up there. Yeah, check it out, huh? Now we could just like ratchet stuff up, like an engine or like a paddleboard or something. I don't know. Check this out. I was worried about the seams, the joints, on how we did the 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 trim, the corner trim in the back. This is on the front of the trailer. Look at that gap. That's like factory. Now this stuff I put in a year ago, I think.
So today, Siege fixing trailer and I drinking coconut. Life is good.
Well, here we are on top. It looks better than I thought it would. Still got this gap. This stuff in that corner. I tell you, from here, the angles look perfect. I mean, the whole thing is square. It's really, the whole thing it's square. I still can't believe after an accident that where it rolled over on its side, I got it to be square. Well, I mean, it pretty much was already square. I mean, does that look square to you? Looks square, huh? Square? Yeah, square. What do you think, Ilya? Is it square? On the road there.
What are you doing?
I'm checking out the angles. I'm so proud of our work, man. Yours? Okay, not so much. Yours, 50-50.
Yeah, understand. Okay, how many
Holes?
Yeah.
I just put 4.
4?
4.
4?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Audi 4.
5, 6,
No, 4. Audi 4.
Sí, 10.
You guys using the trailer as a gym.
Yeah.
What if that just fell? No, he's testing it. I don't think I want to put anything heavy up there, but yeah. Does that look flat? This panel we gotta fix, but that looks kind of square, and so does that, and that, and that. Oh, this turned out all right. Couple quick things I want to mention about the Renegade trailer. I learned a lot since having it and working on it, rebuilding it. I mean, it went through a lot as you've seen in other videos with the rollover that it's been involved in. And if you need some of those rails that go on the top, if you have a Renegade or a Renegade trailer or a Renegade toter home, and you had like a fallen tree or something out there, I have probably 15-20 feet of that rail, and I learned how to put it in and install it really well. So message me on my social media. It's down below if you have one of these and need some